Hello, everyone. I would like to welcome you, all of the parents and our virtual students, to our virtual open house. I'd like to welcome you on behalf of Superintendent John Jacobs and the Randolph County Board of Education. My name is Jennifer Braden. I am the curriculum coordinator for the system. This is our first virtual open house. We're recording it for you so that you can look back at it and you can refer to it as you need to. And as virtual students, we ask that you please remain virtual for at least the first 9 weeks, if not longer. I would like to introduce you to Mr. Kalen Daniel. He is our technology coordinator for the district.
Hello, everyone. By now, you should have been contacted by your home school about picking up your child's Chromebook. If you haven't, please contact your home school so that you can get the Chromebook and start using it and familiarizing yourself with it. Support will be provided by teachers for any programs being used in the course. And those programs can be anything from Schoology to iExcel to Accelerated Reader, anything they're using. The teachers will provide support for those programs they choose. Support for Chromebooks will be provided by your school's media specialist. If you have a problem with Chromebook, it doesn't turn on, the screen gets broken, please contact your media specialist. You can contact media specialists through the school's website. Everybody's listed there, and you press the contact button and email them. We've also created a Parent Academy for Technology website, and you can access this on the technology department's website and the district's website at randolphboe.org. There is a short link for it, bit.ly/RCSS Tech Help. And this website will show you how to use Schoology, how to use your Chromebook, and cover some other programs that we're using. The platforms being used, there are multiple platforms being used. The Chromebooks are the first thing. They're being provided by your student's school. Log in with your student's school email and password. They should have that from last year if they're a returning student. If they're not a returning student, your teacher can, or please email your teacher, and your teacher will be able to get with me to get that information for you. If they are a returning student, the password will be the same as when they left school in the spring. And if the password needs to be reset, please contact your teacher. All instruction will be delivered through Schoology. You can log into Schoology at randolphboe.schoology.com. Your login will be your student's email and password. All announcements, assignments, links, and any other course materials will be posted on Schoology. There are other programs that will be used, such as iExcel, STAR, Reading Street, Schools PLP, Epic Books, and others that the teachers will use at their discretion. And like I said, those things the teacher will tell you at the beginning of the course, and the teacher will provide some support for that.
And we will also send all of those links that Mr. Daniel was discussing to your virtual teachers, and they will be able to email those to you. So if you did not catch those, they will send that information to you. I do want to say that the first day of school intended for virtual students is Thursday, August the 27th. However, that may vary slightly from grade level to grade level, or as subject to subject, depending on the teacher as they're getting their information into Schoology. As you can understand, this is a new venture for all of us, and we're doing the very best we can with that. There will be attendance in virtual school. Your teachers will post some assignment or some question that you must log in to answer every day. And based on your login and your answer, they will know whether you are in attendance and have done your work for your virtual school assignment for that day. It's very important, and they will be documenting your attendance. So please make sure that you keep up with this and you keep up with your assignments as they give them to you. I would like to introduce your 2 kindergarten teachers. You have 2 virtual teachers this year for kindergarten. The first is Mr. Scotty Patillo. He will be providing PE support for kindergarten. And Mr. Patillo, would you like to talk to the students a little bit about what to expect in your class?
Sure. Hey guys, again, I'm Scotty Patillo. I'll be your PE teacher this year. If you need to contact me, you can just contact me through email. And when you log into Schoology, my information will be there. But you can expect to have a lot of fun. A lot of videos. I'll post a lot of videos of how to do certain things, workouts and exercises and that kind of thing, and what to eat, what not to eat, and things like that. But we have a lot of fun. It's going to be fun. Again, if you need my help with anything, just feel free to email me or contact me, and I'll look forward to talking with all of you.
Thanks, Coach Patillo. And your classroom teacher for kindergarten who will be teaching you English language arts, reading, and math is Miss Suzanne Miller. Good morning, Miss Miller. Miss Miller, we need to hear you.
Sorry. Good morning. How is everyone doing today? I will be teaching kindergarten. We will be doing ELA, reading and math. I will be doing Reading Street, some Eureka Math, and some other things that we will put into Schoology. I expect to do several Google Meets so that I can see all of my students face to face. Attendance is required. There will be a question or something posted every day for you to answer so that I know you're there. And then I will be seeing you on Google Meet. Now, the main thing is make sure that you try to attend the Google Meets. They will not be long. I know 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15, but we will be doing some fun things. And I'm excited that this year is a new experience for all of us. But if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email and my phone number and everything will be in Schoology when you log in. But anytime, or you can call. I'm based at Woodland Elementary. You can call and leave me a message there also.
Thank you, Miss Miller. I should have mentioned earlier, both of your kindergarten teachers this year, Miss Miller is at Woodland Elementary and Coach Patillo is at Woodland High School. And we thank them for helping us with this year with kindergarten. Again, my name is Jennifer Braden. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me here at the Randolph County Board of Education. Our phone number is 256-357-4611. My extension is 2013, or you may email me at jbraden, BRADEN, @randolphboe.org. Thank you.